Hey everybody, so I just wanted to come on and do a video of Marbles, how good she is, hey darling, how sweet she is, how pretty she is in the light. Hopefully you can see her, but this is Marbles. She's a pretty one. She's a key lime. She really doesn't like to be pet, but sometimes she lets me. Yes, you're a sweetie. So she was lonely, so I decided to get her a friend, and so now we have another baby, and she's in my shirt. I hate to disturb her, but here she is. She's so beautiful. She's so pretty and blue. Yeah, yeah. You were hiding in my shirt. You were hiding in my shirt. Yes, you were hiding in my shirt. You sure were. Come on, come on. That's Marbles calling, checking on her. They're so good together. But wanted you to see the baby. Yes, you're on there. Our colors were cool. There you go. Yes, yes, you're a sweetie. She wants back in that shirt. Come on. Come on. There you go. So she's in my shirt right here. She's in Mom. Come on. Come on. There's a Marbles. She's a pretty girl. She's in here. She's in here. See? She's in there. There's birds in my shirt. Right there. It's okay. So, it's okay. Come on. Come back, see us. Come back and see us. So, if you'll hold on a second, I'll get Camaro. Alright? Hold on 1 second. And here's Camaro. Hey, darling. It's okay. It's okay. She's pretty. She's beautiful. Make sure the light's on her. This is Camaro. I've had her 10 years. And she preens every day. And she's meticulous about her feathers. You go, I'll pet you. You can pet your beak. Let me pet her beak. That sweet girl. It's okay. Yeah, it's okay. So this is Camaro. She's about 12. Aren't you, baby? Aren't you a sweet girl? I know there's lots of light here, but she's just, she's so bright. What? What? Oh, she's a pretty girl. Yes. Yes. She's a pretty girl. Yes. She's a pretty girl. You gonna whistle for us? You gonna whistle for us? You gonna whistle? Hmm? You wanna whistle? Hmm? You gonna whistle for it? You ready to go back in there? Okay. All right. Say bye.